Hi, this is David from Dyson Bikes. In this video we're just going to take a quick look at the Schwalbe Super Moto tyre. This is a relatively new tyre from Schwalbe and I haven't seen a lot about it yet, so I thought we'd take a couple of minutes to do a video on it. We've had the Super Moto X previously, which was like an evolution of the Crazy Bob tyre. Quite a fat tyres, low rolling resistance, just really beefed up the look of the bike. I think this particular one has gone another step further. It's a bit more slick. They've gone for this sort of retro looking font on the tyre as well, so it just really makes the bikes pop when you fit these on. Some of the benefits of the tyre, Schwalbe's they use a really good quality compound. You get a little bit more grip with it and a lower rolling resistance. Quite a bit of puncture resistance too from this tyre. They rate it 6 on their scale, which is a 6 out of the 7 being the highest. A few different sizes. Mainly they're going to come in this 27.5 by 2.4. You can get them for 29ers or 28-inch rim as well. But we typically fit them to our hardtail Evo or mixedy e-bikes like this one we have here. I thought I'd bring this one in as a comparison. That's a 2.1 we fit standard on that bike versus the 2.4 if I can spin that around. If we look at the width, this works out at about, that's probably just over 60 millimeters, maybe 63 millimeters wide, versus this standard tyre we've got on here if you're comparing. This one's around 55 mil, so just a bit bigger tyre. Certainly just really changes up the appearance of the bike. So yeah, I'd highly recommend it. I love these tyres. We've got them available now. Just check us out at dysonbikes.com.au.